families, friends, loved ones, and most especially the Wake Forest Law School graduating class of 2021. Congratulations. This is your celebration, and it is so well deserved. Savor it, delight in it, look out over all that you have accomplished, and billow. We met you as promising, ethical, hardworking applicants. You were all elbows then, and you've grown into professionals who we are proud to welcome as our sisters, brothers, siblings in the law. Your families, friends, and loved ones contributed so much to the aptitude and strength of character that you brought to Wake Forest Law School. They helped you meet the challenges of law school and of these very difficult years. Thank you to them. We had goals for you too. For example, I hoped that you might make friends with the tax code, become pros at statutory interpretation, and communicate about the law with precision and clarity. But today, I'll say my goal more plainly. Most of all, I want you to be brave. It's not that I want you to feel responsible for having all of the answers you aren't. Or worse, to feel like you have to fake it to make it you don't. Instead, I want you to see that you learned something new and very difficult and very valuable, and you can do it again and again. You encountered subjects in dense and unfamiliar materials. Slowly and through sustained effort, you made sense of it. Your initial trepidation made your progress even more rewarding. We as faculty did little to minimize the difficulty of our subjects or divorce rules from the contexts that make them difficult to apply. I didn't try to save you from errors, not even time-consuming errors, not even public errors. It was hard, and you liked it. We wanted you to know the content, but most we wanted you to become braver learners and braver lawyers. I wanted you to see that your capabilities are greater than your expectations. I still remember reading my first cases as a 1L and just hoping that the opinion would use the words, "We hold that." I didn't know procedural posture from analysis, reasoning from holding. Which fact was important? Should I highlight something here? Read aloud to a non-lawyer loved one from any of your casebooks and remember that learning the law is learning something new, difficult, and through unfamiliar materials. CEG 26 CFR 1.61-2D1. Your success is worth celebrating, and your success should be celebrated because it will make you braver. You are poised to learn other difficult things, and I hope that you now have a better sense that your capabilities exceed your own expectations. And while I will not dwell here, because you know better than I do about the difficulties, frustrations, and even traumas that you and your loved ones experienced during the pandemic, I will speak a moment of vulnerable truth and say that I have a better sense of your capabilities, even beyond my own expectations for you. My expectations for you have always been very high, and yet you, class of 21, you exceeded them. I am incredibly proud of you. I don't have adequate words for this, but I am humbled by and grateful to you. When challenging days of the future come, remind yourself that you have been in deep poop before, and look at you go. Not only has your success in law school made you braver, more capable of learning new and difficult things, and better able to see that your capabilities exceed your expectations, your bravery is needed. For years, my law school roommate, now an assistant United States attorney, introduced himself in court by saying that he is, quote, here for the government. In Obergefell, the government finally responded that it is here for him. My niece is my niece by the signature of a judge. The law matters. Your work in the law matters, and we look forward to watching you do that work with integrity, competence, and bravery. Some of you will use your bravery to introduce yourself to the court and represent the government. the people, the accused, the incarcerated. Be brave enough to say things that other people don't want to hear, to take unpopular positions, to own your mistakes. Some of you will use your bravery to expand diversity and increase belonging in our profession. Some of you will use it to check power, to share power, and to empower. Some of you will be brave enough to advocate deep respect for the law and to make the law more worthy of that deep respect. Some of you will use your bravery to meet clients as they face some of the most challenging, uncertain times in their lives, and you will walk them through it. Use it to maintain boundaries so that your service can be durable and effective. Use it to demand fair process, even when that fair process doesn't reach your desired results. Use it to help make the next generation of lawyers brave too. To steal a phrase Brian Doyle wrote in one of my favorite passages about teaching, if yours are the enormous hands which will soon run the world, what a lovely world it will be. And so it is with great honor that on behalf of your university, your administration, your staff, and your faculty, I say, congratulations on your graduation from the Wake Forest University School of Law. You go from being our students to being our sisters, brothers, siblings in the law. I love being a lawyer, and I love welcoming you to a profession that has given me so much purpose and satisfaction. Congratulations, you did it.